Today we're going to be having a look at this. And we're going to attempt to make a Sunday Advent centrepiece. So it's that time of year again, getting ready for the countdown to Christmas. You've got your normal Advent calendars with chocolates in. You can also get Advent candles, which are great. I always use an Advent candle. And for the last 5 or so years, I've been making Sunday Advent centerpieces. And this is the Oasis block I've been using for the last few years. As you can see, it's well used. It's just multiple pieces of Oasis block that I just tied together with string. It is nothing fancy, nothing special. And then this has all of my little extra bits of ornaments in it. I think it's a good method to use real and fake things, and it gives it an overall good effect. So first things first, this is just a well-used, well-loved square cake base. And on top of it goes the Oasis. So just put the base to one side and go through the foliage. This is some of my Christmas tree. So what I tend to do first, so I do this, I snip off and make little branches like that. Even stuff like this is usable. Just got to take this little nub off the end. So this one, just trim the bottom branches off so it looks like that. As for the holly, we just need to be able to stick it in, so I'll just trim off these couple of little leaves here and that'll be us. This one will be fine. Again, it's not fancy, there's no plan. The randomness of the arrangement is what makes it sometimes. Not sure what to do with this one at the moment, but I'll just take off the bottom leaves. And we'll leave it like that. So these are dead simple. You can already see the witness marks where they used to be, so we might as well just reuse them. So there's one, there's two, there's 3 and 4. So our candles are in place. Better to put these in first. I generally just use normal candlesticks. Got these red glitter ones. I've got these white ones which are slightly discoloured, but either or either, they're still good to go. We'll come back to them later on, and we'll start with our Christmas tree stuff. And again, there is no method to the madness. Let's have a think. Put that one in there like that. Right, let's get to our holly. Try and put a piece on each corner. Ow. Be careful, it's very prickly. We'll have a little clean up first. Okay, bring in what we've done. We've got some pine cones. pine cones in there. Got this red berry bunch. Put it in and just have it to fill out that little corner a bit. Like that. We've got our red berries. So start putting them in places where we can still see Oasis. Just going to check the sides and see where the worst bit of uncovered Oasis is. It's probably that side there. So we'll use this artificial pine cone piece and we'll just put berries back in to help obscure it. That, and we're getting somewhere now. I've got this thing which I quite like, little centerpiece part, so I think I'll put that in the middle. Put it in there like that, and then it can nestle in with our pine cones. Make sure everything sticks up nicely. We're nearly there. Now the next thing I'm going to add on are these. These are just clementine slices. You put them on some greaseproof paper, fold it over, thinly slice them, put them in the oven. I think it's 120 for about 40 minutes to an hour. Make sure you turn them a couple of times, and there you go. Nice dried orange slices. And we'll just put, let's have a look. Few slices here and there, and we're ready for our candles. I think I'll go with the white candles. There's 1, 2, 3 and 4. There's our Sunday Advent centerpiece for 2024, and I'll catch you on the next one.